Good morning, students. Let us learn lesson first, The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse, written by William Saroyan. Let us see about the author first. William Saroyan was an American novelist, playwright, and short story writer. We can say that William Saroyan was an Armenian American novelist. He was awarded the prize for drama in 1940 and Academy Award for Best Story for the film The Human Comedy in 1943. He was born on 31st August 1908 in United States of America. His father died when he was only 3 years old. Saroyan was placed in orphanage. Orphanage means a place where small children are kept whose parents are no more. यानी जिन छोटे बच्चों के माँ बाप नहीं रहते या रहते भी है तो उनको नहीं संभालते, ऐसे लोगों को रखा जाता है. दैट प्लेस मीन्स ऑर्फेनेज, अनाथालय, अनाथाश्रम में आथर को रखा गया था. Saroyan was placed in orphanage along with his brother and sister. He continued his education on his own. He died in May 18, 1981. Now, what is this story about? The story is about two Armenian boys, Aram and Murad. They belong to Garaglanian family. Garaglanian, it is one race or one community in America. Their tribe is known for their honesty. यानी उनका जो पूरा समुदाय है, ग्रुप है, वो उनकी ईमानदारी के लिए, ऑनेस्टी के लिए वेल नोन था, फेमस था. बीइंग पुअर, दे लॉन्ग टू राइड अ हॉर्स. Means Aram and Murad, both of them wanted to ride a horse. Murad had stolen a horse. He asked him to come along for a ride. John Byro, who is the farmer and the owner of the horse, comes to his house to complain about his missing horse to Uncle Khusro. While hiding the horse on the deserted vineyard, they meet the owner. They meet John Byro and felt guilty at the end. The next morning, they return the horse back to the owner of the horse. So, now let us see detailed summary of the story. This is a story of two Armenian boys, Aram and Murad. They belong to Garaglanian family. Their tribe is known for their honesty and truth. Aram is the narrator of the story. He is a boy of 9 years and his cousin Murad is 13 years old. Murad is adventurous but slightly crazy fellow. Murad came to Aram's house at 4 o'clock in the morning and woke him up. Aram saw that Murad was sitting on a beautiful white horse. The narrator, Aram, wanted to ride but he was very poor. The narrator knew that his cousin Murad couldn't have bought the horse. यानी आराम ने तो ये समझ लिया कि मुराद ने ये हॉर्स खरीदा नहीं है. He thought that stealing a horse for a ride was not the same thing as stealing horse and selling it for money. So, Aram thought in his mind that stealing a horse for a ride was not the same thing as stealing money or selling a stolen horse to get money. He jumped down from the window and rode behind his cousin Murad on the horse. They reached from their house Walnut Avenue, means their house was at Walnut Avenue to Olive Avenue in less than 3 minutes. They let the horse run as long as it felt like running. At last, Murad asked Aram to get down as he wanted to ride alone. मुराद ने आराम को बोला, अभी आप उतर जाओ, मैं अकेला ही हॉर्स राइडिंग करूँगा. Murad kicked his heels into the horse and shouted, Vajire, run! Vajire, run! Like that, Murad shouted. He raced the horse across a field of dry grass to an irrigation ditch. He was dripping wet. यानी पूरा पसीना पसीना हो गया था हॉर्स राइडिंग की वजह से. मुराद. The sun was coming up. Aram leaped to the back of the horse. He couldn't control the horse. The horse ran down the road to the vineyard. It leaped over 7 vines and Aram fell down because Aram was not perfect in horse riding. It took half an hour for Murad to find the horse. Murad hit the horse in a deserted vineyard of Fetvijian. Fetvijian, that is farmer. It's the name of one farmer. So they kept the horse, means they hit the horse in a deserted vineyard of Fetvijian. Murad told the narrator that it wasn't easy to get horse to behave so nicely. मुराद ने आराम को बताया कि हॉर्स को ट्रीट करना, उसके साथ बिहेव करना, इट इज़ नॉट सो ईजी. दैट आफ्टरनून हिज अंकल खुसरो केम टू देयर हाउस फॉर कॉफ़ी एंड सिगरेट. एट द सेम टाइम अनदर विजिटर जॉन बायरो आल्सो केम. ही वॉज एसिरियन. जॉन बायरो बिलोंग टू एसिरियन रेस. He was served with coffee and tobacco. He told that his horse had been stolen last month, was still gone. यानी पिछले मंथ में उसका हॉर्स चुराया गया है और अभी तक नहीं मिला, ऐसा जॉन बायरो ने बताया. फार्मर जॉन बायरो was large man with a gentle heart. The horse had cost him $60. $60 देके उसने वो हॉर्स खरीदा था. As soon as the farmer went away, Aram ran over to his cousin Murad's house. यानी जैसे वो फार्मर चला गया, आराम तुरंत दौड़ते हुए मुराद को बताने के लिए गया what happened. So as soon as the farmer went away, Aram ran over to his cousin Murad's house and told him everything. He also asked him not to return the horse. आराम के मन में लालच पैदा हो गया था, because he also wanted a horse riding. He also asked him not to return the horse till he learned to ride for a period of a year or at least for 6 months. आराम ने बोला कि कम से कम 6 महीना तक तो भी हॉर्स को वापस नहीं करना. Now every morning at early morning we can call they rode it. They means Aram and Murad, both of them, they rode the horse. They enjoyed horse riding continuously for 2 weeks. They used to hide the horse in the barn of a deserted vineyard. वो ग्रेप्स के वाइनयार्ड थे, खेत था, वहाँ पे वो बहुत दूर छिपा के रखते थे. Every morning the horse would leap over grapes, vines, small trees and throw Aram. Means Aram was trying to learn horse riding, but when he every morning when he was learning to ride a horse, so he was thrown and he fell down every morning. Aram would fall every morning. One morning they came across farmer Jan Bairo. So one morning when Aram and Murad, they were with the horse, they came in front of the farmer. The farmer was passing through that same way. The farmer saw them with horse. He asked the name of their horse. Murad replied, the name of my horse is my heart. Bairo was certain that it was his own horse which was stolen. He examined the teeth of the horse. He was ready to swear that it was his own horse, but he couldn't blame. But he would not call it as his own horse because they were well known for their honesty. He thought it was the twin of his horse. उसको ऐसे लगा कि घोड़े का ये ट्विन होगा, यानी दूसरा चचेरा भाई होगा, ऐसे उसको लगा, क्योंकि आराम और मुराद वो ऐसे फैमिली से बिलोंग करते थे जो ऑनेस्टी के लिए वेल नोन थे, बहुत ही फेमस थे. नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग दे टूक द हॉर्स टू जॉन बायरोज वाइनयार्ड एंड kept the horse there, put it in the barn and went away. दोनों वहाँ से चले गए. हॉर्स को वही उन्होंने छोड़ दिया जॉन बायरो के वाइनयार्ड में, खेत में. That afternoon, John Bairo showed the horse to the narrator's mother. So that afternoon, John Bairo, the owner of the horse, came to narrator's home and he told narrator's mother that it was his horse. He was surprised. Who was surprised? John Bairo was surprised. Why was he surprised? Because the horse was stronger than earlier and well tempered than before. He thanked God for getting the horse, and the horse was also in very good condition, better condition than earlier. Uncle Khusro, as he was habituated, so Uncle Khusro repeated his pet phrase यानी हमेशा वो जो बोला करता था वही फ्रेज उसने रिपीट की. पे नो अटेंशन टू इट. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट.